Good afternoon, 11:46. It is March 27th, 11:46. It is Tuesday, and I've been trying to edit a little bit of the video. My mom and sister-in-law made us breakfast. They're downstairs cleaning up kitchen. I'm trying to edit for you guys this vlog, try to get it up today. And my kids are bringing in all the eBay leftover, all the clothes. Look at that. Look at that, guys. Oh, good Lord. Let me open the shade. And they're getting that out of my car. I didn't get it out last night. And is that it?
This is it.
Okay. Thank you. Thank you. So there's all that. And somehow I'm going to have to try and get that, excuse the hair, people, in my closet. But before I do that, I have to make sense of that. So that's what I'm going to work on today as much as I possibly can. Today my son Evan has a, oh my God, I feel like my hair's out of control. My son Evan has baseball practice, so I need to figure out, well, I think I'm going to meet my husband at the park, and then my husband will take over, and then I'll come back. But I need to make a little bit of sense of this bedroom, especially because I didn't tell you guys. But I'm going to go on a little bit of a rant, okay? So if you don't like rants, you may not want to hear this, okay? So, okay. When we moved to this house, we were told that the owner did not want to hold the house for 30 days because I was going to give my landlord 30 days. I think you guys remember that vlog video. But my husband talked to the lady and it sort of all worked out. And we were able to move in little by little because we got the keys on the 19th. Okay. Well, the house was not ready to be moved in the way we thought it was. Okay. Once we started moving in, I could see that it was not ready. And we were already signed papers and we were already in full-blown bringing in stuff. And as I was bringing in stuff, I noticed things were not clean like they said and everything else. So I try not to let it get me upset, okay? Because I had too much going on, you know, kids, activities, trying to move in and being exhausted. My husband being working and being exhausted. You just try to tackle what's in front of you and you deal with things. You deal with what's in front of you, right? Okay. Once we got all moved in and I started really working with the kitchen, I noticed the kitchen was pretty dirty, and I'm not even going to get into the details of it, but it was really dirty to the point where it took me about 2 hours, me and my high schooler, to bleach the heck out of the inside of the cabinets and everything else. Let's just put it that way. And anyways, I don't want to make this long, but basically I kind of broke down a little bit and cried out of sheer frustration, extreme frustration and exhaustion and everything else. It was really bad because they said it was going to be clean. They didn't give us the 30-day because otherwise they would have rented it out. You know what I mean? It was just, but it wasn't even ready. The house wasn't even ready to be rented out. Anyways, I'm just going to bypass all of that. And just to let you guys know that yesterday my husband finally was able to, my husband and I were finally able to sit and say, you know what, he ended up, I'm not making sense because I don't want to sound like I'm griping, but really I am. And there was so many feelings and so many emotions on both myself and my husband's, and him being tired and just the house just being completely dirty. We'll just leave it like that. Part of the reason why I don't even tackle my bathroom is because the drawers are dirty. The inside drawers are dirty. I have to clean that entire thing. I clean the bathtubs. So that we were able to clean or move in or take a shower. Anyways, my husband called 2 days ago, or yesterday, to the the lady who's managing the house. And I tell you what, my husband doesn't get mad. My husband is very, very even on a lot of things. But when he gets mad, man, and he got mad. And anyways, they're on Saturday, they're coming to clean the entire house. The entire house. When I steam cleaned the carpets, the downstairs room was full of nicotine. The carpet was full of nicotine, and my husband told him that. The 2 toilet seats, the one here and in the one downstairs, we changed those because they were not, you couldn't really use them. So we're going to get reimbursed for that. And they're coming either to change out the stove, because I cleaned what I did was I cleaned the whole top of it, and then I went and bought those splash guards that go on each burner. I went and bought that because I just couldn't cook. Anyways, my husband says, you rushed us to come in here because the owner doesn't want to wait 30 days, yet the house was not even ready at all to be rented out. So they're coming on Saturday, which is good. I'm grateful. But now I have to deal with my stuff being in here. So I have to take everything out of my bathroom, take it out and nicely organize it. But in order to do that, I need to make sense of my bedroom. A little bit more organization in my bedroom. So that's the status. So everything's going to be taken care of. The lady was very apologetic. She said she hired a cleaner, but she did not inspect the cleaning. So my husband says, I don't know what you paid for. I don't know, because it's pretty bad. You know, my husband told the lady that I spent a lot to steam clean each and every one of these carpets. Thankfully, the other 3 bedrooms up here, they were actually pretty clean, but there was only 2 people living here before us. It was the dad, who was disabled, and he lived downstairs, and then the son lived in this bedroom, and this bedroom the carpet was bad. And the one downstairs, the person was a heavy smoker, the dad, and the carpet was full of nicotine. And I did about two runs on that carpet. I would love to do one more before my mom brings in her furniture, but I just don't think I'll have time. Anyways, that's it, guys. I've been yapping it up for 7 minutes. I will check in with you later. I will give you the progress on the bedroom, and I'm gonna go get a little bit more decent. All right, talk to you later. Okay, guys. What time is it?
It's about
5:10, and I'm headed to drop off my little guy at baseball. I don't feel like I've done much of a dent in my room, actually, at all. I'll show you what I did. I actually put the dressers into the closet, the walk-in closet, and so, because I don't have a dresser, but I'll show you everything. But I don't have a dresser right now because the one that I did buy from the Goodwill, my husband's going to paint it and everything, so he didn't want to take it upstairs just to have to bring it back downstairs. So I'm tired of living out of totes and things like that. So I put in the dresser that I used to have in the dining area. What happened? What's so funny? What's so funny? What is
she had to go look for her purse, and she went in the living room, and then it wasn't there, and then she went in the kitchen, and it wasn't there.
My mom cannot get used to the house. I told her I'm gonna have to draw her a map. She's got to get used to it because she's moving in. I think officially my mom moves in the 12th of April, but she'll be here for a couple days and then she's leaving. But her and my sister-in-law have helped me out tremendously. Tremendously. Very grateful. Okay, guys, so I'm gonna go ahead and drop this little guy off. My husband's gonna meet me there, and then I'll be back to show you the room. I'll show you what I've done. I am home. It's 6 o'clock, and let me show you what I've done so far. I had a white dresser over here. My dresser, we had put it over here for now. And what I did was I actually put it in the closet. And everything in there is really my husband's clothes, other than my bathing suits that are at the bottom. But let me show you. So what I've done is I've actually moved in the dresser here. Eventually, my goal, this is all my eBay stuff that goes hanging right here. Some of them are on eBay and some of them still need to get on eBay. But at least I have everything in one closet and not in my son's closet or in my daughter's closet. But my goal is to really, and there's some here too. These are on eBay. But my goal is to really eliminate at least until here. And then everything here, I don't mind having inventory or what is on eBay, like from here to there, you know, like here. This I want to get rid of because I would like to put some of my husband's colognes and things like that up here. The other thing I want to buy is I'm going to see if I can buy another one of these racks because I had an idea of putting it there and then maybe my purses can go there, and then maybe I'll get another one for there. Depends on because this right here is all eBay as well. I think that's pretty much no, I have eBay shoes. That's what it is. Okay, eBay shoes. So that right there, that brown thing houses eBay shoes. But you guys saw how many shoes I had in that one vlog. So my goal is to eventually just really, really reduce down the everything, all my inventory. Right here, these are my clothes. This is my hanging clothes. Now this dresser here is the one that was in the dining area of my other house, and I'm putting my clothes in there. I kept the drawer that went in there, but I don't think I'm going to use it. So that's all these bags that you see here. Those are eBay. That's eBay. That is, some of it is on eBay already for sale, and some of it isn't. My goal is to reduce all my eBay shoes down to 50% and then all my inventory down 50% because I could see here I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 boxes of eBay shoes that I can see that is not on eBay. 5 boxes. And that's just, I can't house that much. I mean, this closet allows for that, but it's just really overwhelming. You know, I shouldn't really have that much inventory. So that's my goal, is to just reduce things down. The other thing I wanted to show, oh, it's tucked away. Can't get it out right now. But a long time ago, I had shown a nail polish rack that my uncle had made me. And I would love to see if somehow I can hang it in here. It would be nice. It would be nice to hang it in here. But I don't know. And my scarves and things like that. But I would really need to reduce down my inventory for eBay. Yes? My son, he was bleeding. Okay, so that's it for right now, guys. I'm just putting away. I'll give you quick shots of the room. I see more eBay bags. That one right there where it says Marshalls, that's an eBay bag too. But anyways, I feel like I did make a little bit of a dent right here in this area. I did. There's actually like a nice walkway. I moved my that's my eBay table that I use all the time, but I went ahead and pushed the TV and everything back that way. But other than that, I haven't really made too much of a dent. And I don't know how much more I'll be able to do. But look at all that. And I still have to get all of this stuff out of here. Not today, but I have to make some kind of sense out of all that. So that's it for right now, guys. I'll go ahead and touch base with you in a little bit. I feel like this foundation is a little dark. It's the Wet n Wild, the one that's in my project pan. The other thing, I don't know if I told you, but last night I put an order in for the Ulta 21 Days of Beauty. I put an order in. I did the Lorac Pro palette, the contouring palette. Yeah, I think it's called the Lorac Contour Palette. A long time ago, I don't know how many years ago, I heard Lisa D1 mention that palette or that contour and how she really, really liked it. And ever since then, I've been wanting to get that, and I figured now was a good chance to try and grab that. Okay guys, I'll be right back. Let me see if I can make a little bit more sense out of this stuff. I think my sister-in-law is leaving, which I'm pretty sad about because she really, really helped me out a lot. A lot. Okay, I'll be back. Okay guys, I'm done. I'm done. 8:19. I'm done. I'm going to show you what I've done here. I just didn't get to my makeup vanity, which is, I left everything kind of out to where I had, I haven't even, oh, sorry, plugged in my makeup mirror. It's just a hold on, let me turn it around. It's just a makeshift right now. This is what I used to use for my computer table. This is my Alex drawer that should have my makeup, but it doesn't. I'm going to start putting that stuff tomorrow. And then that houses my shadows. What I'm going to do is I'm going to go to IKEA and I'm going to buy just like a regular table. And that's going to go over here when I get it. And then this is going to go back as my makeup table. I'm going to take the shelves off and I'm going to stick back how I used to have it. The Alex drawer is going to go underneath that. And that'll be, so this will be back to my makeup table. I'll buy an Alex or just a table from IKEA, just the topper, you know how they just sell just this. And then that'll be one side of the legs, and then I'll buy the legs for the other side. And then this is going to go to my daughter, that one there. Let's see, I'll show you the room now. So it's a little bit better. I have some space, obviously, to walk in the center of the room. A lot of that stuff is my makeup table, or my makeup. I made some makeshift nightstands. Those are my purses in that box, which I don't have any room for at this time, so they're going to have to stay there for a while. Over here I have makeup, and my nail polishes are down there. That's my eBay wrapping stuff, and then pretty much everything else is going to be like stationary things that go on the desk, my eyeshadows and things like that. These two boxes are eBay shoes. Over here are eBay shoes, and down there is still eBay clothes. I'm dreading because, as you can see in the closet, it is full. Unbelievable. That's my clothes over here. Those are my clothes, and then this is all eBay. And my husband's side with a little bit of eBay, my shoes, and then his shoes. But at least everything is off the floor. This is my little jewelry and stuff like that. I still have more jewelry boxes. I don't know where they're at. But down here is my scarves, my clothes. Yeah. But I need to organize this tomorrow better. And somehow, some way, I need to get all those clothes in here somewhere. They have to, because they're getting squished in there, and that's not good. So that's what I'm going to do for tomorrow. Definitely work on my Alex drawer over here. But that's how it looks. I moved the table or the TV over there for now. And that's it, guys. Oh, my husband's taking a shower. Okay, I'm going to go in the closet where there's some light. But anyways, that's it. That's what I did today. A lot of running around. Well, not a lot of running around. Not a lot of running around. A lot of unpacking still. The bathroom, I think I know I mentioned it, but the bathroom will not be unpacked. That's why I have in the corner, I have a lot of the bathroom stuff over there in that corner you see here. That's all the bathroom stuff, and that's because they're going to come clean the house, and I don't want to put nothing in the bathroom. Oh, these are my clothes. Why are they on his side? Just saw that. Okay, guys, that's it for right now. Yeah, see you guys tomorrow. I hope you guys all had a wonderful day. Thank you so much for spending your day with me. And hopefully my vlogs will start to turn into something a little bit more different. I need to get the Project Pan stuff, my Pan That palette, and finish 18 by 2018 updates up for you guys. So hopefully I can record that by the end of the week. Hopefully get that all recorded. But anyways, that's it, my friends. Thank you so much